Hello everybody, what's going on? Today I'm throwing it back and I'm using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. This was their fall launch in 2020. It's a beautiful palette, very colorful, more colorful than the Cinnamon Swirl. I really like this one. I feel like it's very unique. So let's start off with our transition, starting off with a la mode, putting that back and forth in the crease. Not being precise with this at all. I'm actually taking it outwards because we are doing a cut crease. It's going to be like a gradient from pink to purple cut crease. This is not, one of my more easy wearable looks. This was definitely a little bit more challenging, and I really like the way it turned out, actually. I love it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm going into this bright pink. It's called You Spicy, and I'm going to be focusing this on the inner portion of my crease. And then, of course, I am going to be blending it outwards, but the most color, is in that inner corner, as you can see, because we are going to be transitioning that into like a dark purple. So just getting it there. Wow, what was I going to say? I don't know. Getting it there, and of course blending out back and forth. You can never blend too much. Alright, so now we're going to go into the purple. This is called Spice of Life, and this is going in the outer half of my crease. Of course, I'm blending it in with the pink, so I have a really nice transition, but just going back and forth. Thankfully, Too Faced makes really, really great quality matte eyeshadows. Guys, this was effortless. Like, I did not have to put in any effort at all. They kind of just blended in with each other. So thank you, Too Faced, for making quality matte eyeshadows. And then I'm taking whipped cream, just putting that right underneath the eyebrow and then blending it out. This little dual-ended brush by EcoTools is awesome. I don't think they still sell it, but if they do, I'll link it down below. I love it. It was great for, the brow bone. So now I'm using the same concealer that I always use, the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, just cutting the crease out. I have a how-to video that I will link right up there in the eye, but I just go step by step. It's really, really easy. The more you practice cut creases, just the easier it gets. They're really not hard. They are very intimidating, but you just gotta practice and then you'll be a pro. So I'm taking the Naked palette brushes, this is probably like from the Naked 3 or something, and just kind of blending the concealer out, soaking up any excess product. I love the Naked brushes. I know a lot of people don't, but I use them all the time. Here I'm doing the same thing to the other eye, just cutting out the crease, and then of course blending everything out. Yes, I'm outside, if you guys couldn't tell. So I set the concealer with whipped cream. I didn't want to add any extra shimmer or color. I feel like I have a lot going on in the crease and also the liner. So the same exact thing that I did to my crease, I'm doing it to my liner, or my upper lash line. Starting off with the pink in the inner corner, and then I am going to go in with the purple and do the wing with the purple, and then of course blend it out so it's nice and blended. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing here. Alright, so now it's time to conceal underneath the eyes. I'm using that same concealer by Too Faced and just concealing right underneath there. Also kind of cleaning up the wing a little bit so it's a little bit more sharp. But yeah, this is my regular concealer routine. Nothing new, nothing crazy. To set the concealer, I'm using my favorite Givenchy PRISME Libre loose powder. It's so freaking good. I think I want to do like products, high-end products that are worth the money. Like, I want to do that type of video. What do you guys think? For my lower lash line, same exact thing that I did in my crease and in my liner. The dark purple on the outer parts and the pink in the inner corners, and then just blending everything out with my transition color, a la mode. And then I threw on some lashes, guys. I don't know what lashes these were, but I love them. I need to find out. But then the look is donezo. Look how pretty that is, guys. It's different. It's fun. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so, so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.